Alright, we're back out here with the LST. After the video yesterday, I was going through my junk drawer up in my office and found a Hobeo Carb rebuild that I forgot that I had gotten a couple years back. So I was able to take the carb off, completely rebuild it, and I got it running again. Way better than it was yesterday. Still got to get that tune right on the bottom end. It's still acting kind of funny, but running way better. Way better than it was. I need to loosen up those brakes a little bit. They're a little bit touchy. But she's running better. Running way better. Didn't want to sit there. There you go. Definitely picks it up, no problem. I think I need to get new wheels for this thing. These ones are so out of balance. I like them a lot, but they're just fucking wobbling all over the place. I do love these wheels though. They have those dynamite hubs. I think they're 23 millimeters. I don't remember. But she's running good, man. Or way better, at least. Oi. You're running out of gas soon, probably. Gee, what's up? Oh, ran out of gas. Running way better though. This truck's a blast. I can't wait till she's running 100%. Still got some issues to work out with that carb, but the rebuild definitely did it good. Gotta love this car, or truck, I should say. Or what does LST even stand for? LOSI Stadium Truck? LOSI Stadium Truggy? Is it a muggy? What is it? Let's get the body and the fuel. But yeah, again, last night I was talking with my buddy Harold, and he was like, man, it's still running, you know, lean on the bottom end and things like that. And we were looking at, he had one of those O-ring sets for, I think it was like a plumbing set or something like that he uses. And he was like, yo, I'll send you a bunch of the little ones, see if you can rebuild the carb. And I was like, you know what, let me check through my junk drawer here. I think I might have something. And lo and behold, I had a Hobeo H30 carb rebuild kit. So I was able to get the right O-rings I needed to rebuild this carb. And it worked perfectly. And she's back to her glory days, or almost at least. I like the LRP pull start, but I think I want to get a roto start again for it. I had it with a roto start, but the centerpiece, where is it? I don't know where it is, but the centerpiece for it snapped up, and I wasn't able to use roto start anymore. Like, you know what I mean? The where the hell is it? No, I have it around here somewhere. Maybe I don't. But yeah, I think I want to get a roto start again for it, even though it starts up rather easy. I like having the roto start. Actually, fuck it, I'm gonna keep. Oh, here it is. This is the in part, and it all snapped up in here, so I wasn't able to use it anymore, which is unfortunate. And I can still use it as a pull start, but I don't know. I kind of like the LRP stock one on there. It looks good. But yeah, there she is, back to her glory. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.